Hello everyone, welcome to Bryan Xplores. So today we're going to talk about and make a volcano. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. So the first thing we need is a box, but first we need to cut it. Now we're going to cover it with tape. Now my dad is going to pass me some tape. Thanks. Since I said we were going to talk about the volcano, a volcano can explode and they can be very, very dangerous. Even if they don't explode, you can fall in the volcano and that molten lava is gonna just burn you. So now we're gonna need a bottle. So we're gonna put it right here and we put the cap off because we don't need the cap. We're gonna cut the top off so the hole is much bigger like a volcano. We're gonna glue, now that we cut the bottle off, now we're gonna glue the bottom on of the bottle. We're using a glue gun. So the tip is very hot. So always have an adult to help you. Oh, there it is, the glue. So see that glue? That's the glue. So the glue's coming out. Aha! There we go. Now we're gonna need pieces of paper, notebooks, magazines, or any more papers that people don't use or notebooks that people don't use. So here we have it. So now my dad is gonna
You're gonna put several pieces of tape before, right?
Yeah. We're gonna put it in the corner and put it against the bottle so it looks like a pyramid. Once you get all the four corners, now you have to peel them off. I'm not crazy about this. You have to peel this off so there's room for the paper. Now that we got all our paper like this, and we got our tape, now we're gonna add some more tape to glue everything good tight together. And give me another tape. So another fact about volcanoes is actually they are a big hole of the crust of the earth. So it's a big wide hole. That's why it keeps all the molten lava and magma inside of a volcano. About volcanoes is the word volcano came after the Roman name Vulcan. Volcanoes can be in many shapes. Another fact about volcanoes is volcanoes don't actually only go on land. They can also go on the ocean floor and under ice caps. Once you finish taping all the paper, now you can paint.
What color are we painting it?
We have to paint it brown because it's a volcano. We have brown paint, a brush, and a towel paper. Pour some paint into the cup. And now we're gonna paint the volcano. So we're gonna have to wait for this to dry to make a little bit some lava coming out. Today we joined the American Cancer Society and the Little Dig. So we got 30 from painting our volcano. For more information of the Little Dig, the link is on the description. So we're gonna paint the edge of our volcano so we can make it look like grass. Our volcano of the top red, so it looks like lava explodes. Lava from a volcano can reach up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. We're testing out our lava solution, so we start with soap, baking soda, food coloring, water, and vinegar. Wow. So we got all our ingredients inside our volcano, but the only thing we need is vinegar to make the volcano explode.
Oh my God!
Volcano erode. Now it's time to talk about the volcano one last time. Number 1. So a volcano is an opening in the Earth's surface. Number 2 is the word volcano comes from the Roman name Vulcan. Number 4 is volcanoes don't just happen on land. They can be found on ocean floors and under ice caps. Number 5. Lava from a volcano can reach 2,000 degrees and Fahrenheit. I hope you like my volcano video. So, I worked so hard on it. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.